Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Now, when we were discussing the gold pair after the Friday closing, market was approximately over here. And when market opened and just entered our area of major resistance and closed with the red candle, we could have easily taken a selling position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and we could have easily made a profit of 4.2% in the first trade. And then in the second trade, once again, market gave a similar opportunity. Market retested our area of major resistance and closed with the red pin bar candle, and we could take profit of 5.2%, which is good. Then market reacted from our minor area of support. From here you guys can see that market reacted exactly from this area with a green candle. We could take a buying position from here like this. Our stop loss will be just below the previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 0.9% profit. And then afterwards you guys can see that market just closed above our area of major resistance, but this was not a good entry to buy because there was huge sell pressure, and this is basically a selling candle. But if you guys would have taken a blind entry over here, then you guys would have hit a stop loss. And similarly, as market just closed below our area of major resistance, from here we could once again take a selling position from here like this. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially over here, giving us a 4.9% profit, which is again huge. After that, market gave us a small buying opportunity over here. If we would have taken this opportunity, maybe we would have had a stop loss. And then again, market continued to go down. If we take this risky sell entry, again we hit a stop loss. So two stop losses would be hit. Then from here, we could have easily taken a buying position. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.5% profit. And this trade could very well still be running as well. Okay, so that's all for gold, and you guys can clearly see that market has just reacted exactly the way we had thought, and we made some very good profit in this gold versus US dollar market. And we are now going to move forward these scenarios, and you guys can make good profits tomorrow as well. You guys can clearly see that market has not convincingly broken past our area of major support or major area of resistance. Just remember that we are still bullish in this gold pair, so just look for more bullish opportunities because of the war situation overall. We are preferably we are looking for some buying entries. Okay, now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair, and let us see that how market has reacted after the Friday closing. Okay, so when we were discussing this market on the Friday closing, market was trading approximately over here, and you guys can clearly see that when market opened a little bit down, and then market tested our area of major support and closed with the red candle. We could have easily taken a selling position over here. Maybe not much profit would have appeared, but still this trade would be very much valid, and we could have made a 0.5% profit at least. Okay, so now let me move to the 4-hour time frame, because the market has now convincingly closed below our area of major support, and you guys can see that market has reacted from this area. So we will be pushing our supports down, because now this area is the previous areas are not valid, and only these areas will come into play. Okay, market has reacted from this area, so we have to take in note that these areas should be valid for previous zones as well. Okay, now this area is valid, and how it is valid, you guys can clearly see that this area has come into play over here, and over here as well, and some consolidation has appeared. So 4 times this area has remained valid as an area of major support or major area of resistance. So just now look for, you guys can clearly see that now market is going in the downwards direction. Now market has broken its buying structure. So now we will be looking for selling structures in this GBP USD pair rather than buying structures. Okay. So after this area, the possible area of resistance that we can clearly see is approximately over here. And how is this area valid? You guys can clearly see that this area has come into play over here when some consolidations appeared, and over here as well market reacted a few times from here, and market has reacted from here as well and over here as well. Okay, so this area can behave as a minor area of resistance. Okay, and the major area of resistance will now be approximately this area. Okay, so and you guys can clearly see over here as well, and now we'll move downwards our major area of resistance as well. Okay, so now let us go back to the 1 hour chart, and now let me just set the chart and get back to you guys. Okay, so I have moved forward all the scenarios for you guys, and I have mentioned the new area of resistance. The new area of resistance is 1.284 to 1.287 till here. The minor area of resistance is 1.275 mentioned over here as well, and the major area of support is 1.270 to 1.267 over here. Okay, so 1.270 to 1.267. Okay. So that's all for GBP USD pair for today. I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this pair tomorrow. So now let me move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair. So just remember that we were bullish in this pair, and you guys can see that market has reacted from our Friday's market discussion. We were discussing the market. Approximately market was over here, and market closed just below our area of resistance. We could have taken a short entry over here that we would have hit a stop loss. Then we could have taken a buying position over here. Our take stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.8% profit. And then market once again gave us a selling opportunity from here. If we would have taken this opportunity, we would have hit a stop loss. And then market gave us a buying opportunity from here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 1.3% profit. So overall, no profit, no loss situation would have happened in this Euro USD pair. But one thing that you guys should notice is that we were bullish in this pair, and market has reacted just the way we wanted, and market has taken the general direction of bullish side. Okay, so but you guys can clearly see that this area of resistance has now been clearly broken. For that, now we have to mark the new area of resistance and support. And you guys can clearly see that market has went up till here 1.10. So let us see that if we have any previous area available, and you guys can clearly see that we have two tops available over here and over here. So this will be our new major area of resistance. Okay, approximately over here. So market has already reacted from here, and the new minor area of support will now be approximately over here, and the major area of support will now be approximately somewhere around, yes, approximately over here. And it is so because market has given its reaction sometimes over here, a few times over here, and a few times over here as well. So this area has come into play several times previously. So this area will I think so that behave as a good area of support. Okay, so now let us go back to the 1 hour chart, and now let me just set the chart and get back to you guys. Okay, so now we have moved forward these scenarios for you guys, and you guys can now clearly see that we are still bullish in this Euro USD pair. And the new area of resistance for 6th of August Tuesday market is 1.1007 to 1.1021, and our minor area of support is 1.0965. You guys can see over here as well, and our major area of support is 1.0915 to 1.0894. Okay, so that's all, and I have marked all the relevant areas for you guys. So just do safe trading, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this Euro USD pair as well on the 6th of August 2024. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.